1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. Price: $38,200. Located: Glen Burnie, Maryland. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Supersport is a true SS vehicle with VIN 138, representing one of the most desirable muscle cars of the late 1960s. Showing approximately 68,000 original miles, this Chevelle has never been rolled and remains exceptionally clean inside and out. It has been carefully stored in a heated garage and maintained to a high standard, making it a genuine show-quality car that has appeared in multiple automotive magazines. The vehicle is fully sorted, needs nothing to be enjoyed, and is being offered simply because it is no longer driven regularly. The exterior presents beautifully, thanks to a professional full repaint completed 3 years ago. The paint quality is rated at a strong 9 out of 10, with clean jams, minimal glass work, and a striking fiberglass cowl hood paired with a fiberglass rear trunk. The body lines are sharp, and the overall presentation reflects the care invested in this build. Underneath, the car is extremely clean and well detailed. Power comes from an impressive 498 cubic inch big block built around a Dart Big M block, featuring high-quality internal components such as a king crank, diamond pistons with 14:1 compression, eagle rods, and ported Brodix heads. The engine is supported by a turbo 400 transmission with a manual valve body, Hughes 3200 stall converter, and a sidewinder shifter. Fuel and ignition systems are set up for E85, including a 1050 Dominator carburetor and MSD ignition. Suspension and braking remain OEM style, complemented by a narrow Dana rear with 4.10 gears and brand new front and rear tires, making the Chevelle both aggressive and refined. 2. 1970 Plymouth Road Runner Sport Satellite. Price: $39,500. Located: Denver, Pennsylvania. This 1970 Plymouth Road Runner Sport Satellite is a serious drag-oriented classic that combines raw motor performance with a remarkably well-preserved full-body appearance. Built as a purpose-driven race car, yet still retaining its complete body and glass, this vehicle represents a rare opportunity to own a properly engineered muscle-era drag machine. The car has been driven approximately 1,000 miles and remains in immaculate overall condition, showing no rust and still wearing its original vinyl top, a detail rarely seen on cars of this caliber. Under the hood sits a monstrous 440 mega block stroked to 588 cubic inches, with an aggressive 13.5:1 compression ratio. The engine features Indy heads and intake, Bill Miller aluminum rods with roughly 80 passes, and runs on C12 race fuel. Power delivery is handled by a built 727 automatic transmission equipped with a 4500 stall converter and trans brake. Out back, a Dana rear with 4.56 gears and a spool ensures maximum traction on launch. Performance numbers are impressive, running 9.30 to 9.70 ET on motor alone, and an incredible 8.32 at 163 miles per hour with nitrous safety and structure are equally well addressed, with a new NHRA certified 8.50 cage, fresh 5-point harnesses, and intact interior components including dash, lights, and trim. The car also includes a Jazz 16-gallon fuel cell, extra rear tires, front skinnies, and supporting numbers components. Although the engine is currently out for professional work, the vehicle remains a rare, high-potential moped drag car with documented performance and exceptional condition throughout. 3. 1968 Pontiac Lemons Convertible. Price: $23,000. Located: Rowan Oak Rapids, North Carolina. This 1968 Pontiac Lemons Convertible is a classic American drop-top that blends timeless styling with hot rod character. Offered in good overall condition, this Lemons presents as a solid and honest driver that can be enjoyed immediately or further personalized by its next owner. Its convertible body style adds an extra layer of desirability, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts who appreciate open-air cruising paired with vintage muscle-era design. The car has clearly been cared for and maintained as a usable classic rather than a trailer-only showpiece. The exterior retains strong visual appeal, while the overall structure reflects a vehicle that has aged gracefully. As a hot rod-inspired build, this Lemons offers character and presence without sacrificing DR4ability. It is well suited for weekend cruising, local shows, or casual classic car gatherings where originality and charm matter just as much as performance. This vehicle is being offered with flexibility in mind, as the seller is open to reasonable offers or a potential trade involving a truck plus cash. That openness makes this Lemons an accessible entry point into classic Pontiac ownership. With its classic lines, desirable year, and open-top configuration, This 1968 Pontiac Lemons convertible represents a compelling opportunity to own a piece of late 1960s American automotive history at an approachable price point. 4. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Price: $29,500. Located: Long Branch, New Jersey. This 1971 Chevrolet Nova is a clean, rust-free classic that has been extensively upgraded with performance and drivability in mind. Backed by a clean title and more than $20,000 invested in parts alone, this Nova stands as a strong foundation for a serious street or strip build. The car has been driven approximately 1,000 miles since its upgrades and reflects careful attention to mechanical and structural detail. Power comes from a rebuilt 396 cubic inch race-oriented engine paired with a rebuilt Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, delivering an engaging and authentic muscle car driving experience. The suspension system has been thoroughly refreshed, featuring new components throughout, including QA1 coilovers, new upper and lower control arms, bushings, linkage, and a quick ratio steering box. Additional upgrades include new wheels and tires, a new power steering pump, and a complete painless wiring kit that runs from headlights to taillights. Inside, the car features a full custom interior along with Dynamat sound deadening throughout, improving comfort and reducing road noise. While mechanically strong, the vehicle does require paint and door windows to be fully finished, allowing the next owner to choose their preferred exterior style. With its solid structure, high-quality components, and performance-focused setup, this 1971 Chevrolet Nova offers excellent value and significant potential for further refinement. 5. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. Price: $80,000. Located: Wilson, North Carolina. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe is a high-powered muscle car built with serious performance in mind, combining classic first-generation Camaro styling with modern race-focused upgrades. With only 860 miles driven since its most recent build phase, this Camaro stands as a formidable street and strip machine. At the heart of this Z28 is a brutal 421 cubic inch small block producing an estimated 800 horsepower. Power is sent through a 4-speed manual transmission to a robust 12-bolt rear end equipped with 3.73 gears and positive traction, designed to handle aggressive launches and hard driving. Supporting hardware includes Caltrac suspension components and Willwood brakes, ensuring improved traction and strong stopping power. The vehicle comes with 2 hoods, providing flexibility for different looks or performance needs. Included as well are stock rims and tires, along with an additional 350 small block engine from fan to bell housing. While mechanically impressive, the car does need paint work and has a dent on the right front fender, leaving room for cosmetic refinement. Overall, this 1969 Camaro Z28 represents a rare opportunity to own a heavily built, high-horsepower classic with authentic muscle car roots. 6. 1991 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Price: $25,000. Located: Patton, Pennsylvania. This 1991 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe is a purpose-built drag racing platform offered at an attractive entry point for serious performance enthusiasts. The car is paid off and presented as a race-ready chassis, with the option to purchase it as a turnkey setup at a higher price. The vehicle features a chromoly chassis and is set up to accept a big block Chevrolet engine combination, previously equipped with a 454 cubic inch big block board .070 over. The car has seen approximately 140 runs on the engine and transmission. Supporting hardware includes beadlock wheels, brand new slicks, custom headers, and a professionally installed fuel cell with complete plumbing. Additional features include an aluminum interior, Lexan removable rear window, aluminum radiator, K&R wiring harness, switch panel, delay box, and MSD7AL ignition components. Craftsmanship is credited to the late Steve Roth, adding historical and professional significance. 2 drive shafts are included to support both Turbo 400 and Powerglide setups. With an SFI blow-proof transmission case included, this Corvette is well suited for racers seeking a proven drag chassis or builders looking to complete a competitive setup. 7. 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Price: $15,000. Located: Allentown, Pennsylvania. This 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe is a historically interesting project car with deep roots in competitive racing. Originally finished in lemons blue and factory equipped with a 427 cubic inch, 400 horsepower engine, this Corvette was later converted into a race car built to compete for a world record in the non-tubbed Corvette category. The car achieved runner-up status, adding a unique performance legacy to its history. It now sits as a non-running project, offering an excellent foundation for restoration or race revival. The vehicle features a Dana 60 rear axle with aggressive 4.88 gears and a 4-link suspension setup. The current engine is a 1979-based 454 block bore to 482 cubic inches, fitted with special Merlin heads built by legendary engine builder Grumpy Jenkins. Induction includes dual 1050 CFM carburetors mounted on a Y-end tunnel ram intake. Although disassembled, the car comes with a large collection of parts shown in photos. The seller is open to trades, specifically for a 1969 Camaro Z28. 8. 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass Prostreet Restomod. Price: $59,975. Located: Hopewell Junction, New York. This 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass is an exceptional Prostreet Restomod and a documented piece of American hot rod history. Professionally built by Don Ness and his team, this Cutlass achieved national recognition as a Hot Rod magazine front cover car. Under the hood sits a massive supercharged big block engine, delivering explosive power while remaining drivable on pump gas. The drivetrain and chassis were engineered by professionals, ensuring reliability, balance, and aggressive performance. Visually, the Cutlass blends classic 1960s Oldsmobile lines with modern Prostreet execution. The interior is well finished and functional, supporting both comfortable cruising and spirited driving. This is not an unfinished project, but a fully dialed-in vehicle ready to drive, show, and enjoy. With documented history and trade options considered, this 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass represents a rare opportunity to own a genuine piece of hot rodding history. 9. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS RSS. Price: $60,000. Located: Wilmington, Delaware. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS RSS is a heavily built first-generation muscle car that combines aggressive race-ready hardware with unmistakable Camaro styling. Offered as a final price before the seller considers keeping it, this Camaro represents a serious no-compromise performance build. Power comes from a 427 cubic inch big block Chevrolet featuring iron heads, a steel crank, TW pistons, and a crane solid lift camshaft. Supporting components include an Edelbrock air gap intake, Holley carburetor, Hooker super comp headers, and a Griffin aluminum radiator. Power is delivered through a turbo 350 transmission with a reverse manual valve body to a 9-inch rear end with a Curry center section and 4.88 Richmond gears. The chassis features tubular A-arms, ladder bar rear suspension, stretched rear quarters, and a full 12-point roll cage. Inside, the car is finished with tweed and leather, auto meter gauges, and race focus controls. Finished in custom-mixed BASF paint, this Camaro is built to perform above all else. 10. 1977 Pontiac Trans Am Coupe. Price: $15,000. Located: Elkins, West Virginia. This 1977 Pontiac Trans Am Coupe is a bold Prostreet-style classic offered as a roller, making it an excellent foundation for a serious performance build or custom drag-oriented project. Finished in an eye-catching purple exterior with a clean black interior, this Trans Am retains the unmistakable late 1970s muscle car presence while incorporating substantial structural upgrades designed for power and traction. With 52,638 miles showing, the vehicle has been transformed beyond its stock configuration, clearly intended for high-horsepower applications. The car has been professionally back-halved and fully tubbed to accommodate massive 22-inch rear rubber, giving it the aggressive stance expected from a true Prostreet Firebird. At the rear sits a durable Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with a 3.50 Posey differential, a popular setup that balances street usability with strong straight-line performance. This configuration makes the chassis ready to accept a wide range of engine and transmission combinations, depending on the buyer's goals. Inside, the cabin is described as nicely finished and fully carpeted, offering a clean and usable interior rather than a stripped-out shell. The automatic transmission setup is currently absent along with the engine, allowing the next owner full freedom to choose their preferred drivetrain without compromising existing components. This makes the car ideal for builders who already have a powertrain in mind or racers looking to install a proven combination. Overall, this 1977 Pontiac Trans Am Coupe Roller represents a solid, well-modified platform with major fabrication already completed. Recreating this level of chassis work today would require significant time and expense, making this a strong value opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a serious Prostreet or drag build.